Well, I'm Jason with the All Things Open community. We're here with Eli, the computer guy. Welcome to our studio. Please introduce yourself to the ATO community.
Yeah, so I'm Eli Etherton, known as Eli the computer guy, and I've got a YouTube channel with over 1 million subscribers and do tech education.
How did you get involved with open source?
Yeah, it's weird for my generation. So I got my MCSE back in 2000 when everything was closed and cost a lot of money. And so basically I've just been using open source now for 20 years, everything from Linux to Open Office or LibreOffice and MySQL and all that kind of stuff.
Got it.
Yeah.
Well, tell us more about your YouTube channel, Eli the Computer Guy. What can people find there?
So it's tech education. So I've been doing this for a long time. So we have everything from Active Directory to Linux to Python. We're doing a lot of AI topics and database topics right now. And basically what I'm trying to branch out to at this point is something called Silicon Dojo. And the idea is, what if we could take that YouTube concept in the physical world? And so it's authorityless, gatekeeperless, free to end user, hands-on technology education that empowers you to do whatever it is you want to do. And so we just run classes where people can just show up and they can learn very specific topics. And so we've been doing classes on Python and AI and databases and those types of things. Yeah.
And so is there any in-person component to that?
Hey, this is Todd with All Things Open. Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate it. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. We've got a lot of new content coming we think you're going to be interested in. One final favor, be sure to go to allthingsopen.org to see everything that we do. Back to the video.
Yeah, well, that's the thing with Silicon Dojo. So specifically right now, it's all online. We actually use Zoom to make it an interactive process. But I'm from Asheville, and for about 2 years, we were doing it in person in Asheville, and with a lot of things going on right now, we've kind of had to reset. So we are going to be doing the Asheville classes are starting again within about a month, and I'm hoping, actually, one of the reasons I'm here is to try to start doing them here in Raleigh, too.
Perfect. Well, we can help you get that information out. We have a cool blog called We Love Open Source, and we can tell the community.
Awesome.
Do you have any tips, best practices, or new tools you've been using that we can share with the ATO community?
The one thing that I really do have to say is I've been using Zoom a lot for education, and it's actually a really amazing product, especially if you add I have these little Magewell encoder devices. So I plug a normal camcorder into my computer, and then it allows me to get a much better video feed for when I'm teaching my students and using whiteboards and that type of thing behind me. So Zoom with a little encoder device is awesome.
That's cool. Yeah. All right, Eli, I appreciate your time today. I hope you have a successful ATO.
Cool, thank you.
All right, thank you.